This week's phrase is sit o'i ti, which means how are you? Sit o'i ti. Dwi'n wedi bod. Sit o'i ti. Da iawn diolch. This week's phrase is
Pwy o'i ti, which means who are you?
pwy o'i ti?
Ryan ydw i. Pwy o'i ti? Isabella ydw i.
This week's phrase is Beth Ymadrodd Yr Wythnos, which means what is your name?
Beth ydy ti enw ti?
Alicia ydw i. Beth Ymadrodd Yr Wythnos? Oi ydw i. Beth ydy dy enw di?
Lydia ydw i.
This week's phrase is
Oes gyda ti, which means do you have?
Oes y chwaer gyda ti?
Oes, mae un chwaer gyda fi. Oes cath gyda ti? Nag oes, does dim cath gyda fi.